Hello everyone. So today I will be telling you how to grow corns at home. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to put the corn seeds in water for around 12 hours to get soaked. After 12 hours, here I am with soaked corn seeds to sow them in a small pot. So as you can see, the seeds are too small, therefore they don't need to be sowed very deep. We have to sow the seed deeper when the size of the seed is bigger as that of a mango plant. So with the help of this toothbrush, I am making small holes to sow the seed easily. It is summer time here in India and corn loves summers. So it is a good time to do this when all of us are stuck at our homes in this lockdown. Try to keep your corn plant pot in sunlight as much as possible as it will be growing faster in sunlight. So I'm burning all these seeds in the pot. After that I will be adding some sand on it. After sowing all the seeds, I will be adding a stick to remember which seeds I soaked there. After 4 days of sowing my seeds, they sprouted. After the sapling become a little bigger in size, you can remove them from the pot and plant them at some bigger area to grow, where it get better sunlight and area. I'm just almost done with all the seeds, and now I'm adding some sand on it. Not a heavy layer, just a thin layer of it. Water it only once in a day and provide as much as sunlight you can. I sowed all the seeds in this pot because I can shift it easily in the sunlight area. So here I'm putting this stick. So after 4 days of sowing my seeds, they sprouted. As you can see the results. I will be giving updates regarding the same, as the plant usually take 80 to 100 days to grow and provide the corn. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.